the government authorities to ensure that this violence is brought to an end as early as possible. We have been seeing, we have been witnessing, we have been hearing deplorable stories of how innocent lives are being affected, how families and communities are being shattered, and this is something which we can see and keep quiet about. Therefore, we have come out into the public today to register our protest and also to demand that this be stopped, because this is a country where every human being has the right to exist. This is a country that is characterized by its diversity in all aspects, in cultures, in religions, in castes, in tribe, and therefore everyone has an equal right to live as equal citizens in this country. We firmly believe in this, and therefore today's program, this candlelit silent march, is